We're here today at Quarter Cloud's Guardians of the Cyberspace event, all about understanding frameworks within the cybersecurity world and ensuring that everyone's well equipped to tackle these difficult challenges.
Definitely recommend this event. It stands out because of the unique building that we're standing in. Sometimes there can be a very, very hard sell. In such an open environment, you feel free to talk about your challenges with other people.
These sessions we've had have been very interactive. I really enjoyed the GCHQ talk. That was very interesting, understanding sort of the issues that they've faced.
The close, sociable nature of the network, everybody's friendly. People feel that they can talk, which is nice.
We also wanted to bring a little bit of pizzazz to the day, so bringing them along to Stratton House Hotel. And my personal highlight was our fantastic quiz at the end.
Combination of the demos and the talks that have been given and speaking to all of the different vendors, a real appreciation of the way that information can be presented to you.
Having both private and public sector in the same place at the same time, they've been able to share experiences.
100%. I'd recommend anyone to come down. Any opportunity to get together, understand best practice and hear from leading speakers is a real opportunity.